Anyone can create eye-catching and engaging social videos. You don't need to be a professional video editor or have expensive equipment. What you do need, though, are the right tools to help you maximize and enhance your creativity without the tech overwhelming. So in this video, I've partnered up with Adobe Express so I can show you how to use 4 exciting features to help you create expert and engaging social videos in a few clicks without feeling stressed and overwhelmed. So start by typing adobe.com/express into your browsers to open up Adobe Express. I'll leave a clickable link underneath this video in the description to help you out. First of all, let me show you how to quickly turn video podcasts, interviews and demos into social clips. Add custom captions with Adobe Express Clip Maker. At this point, Clip Maker is only available on desktop. So start off on your dashboard, click on Explore Quick Actions, select Video from the side column, and then go straight to Clip Maker. Next, drag and drop your video or upload it directly into Adobe Express. Once uploaded, you'll see a little thumbnail image of your video. Be sure that the Add Captions button is toggled to the on position and then click Generate Clips. The process may take seconds or it may take a few minutes. So whilst that's working in the background, why not go off and have a cup of coffee or make yourself a cup of tea and then come back again. Adobe Express will use AI to identify key moments from your video and generate vertical clips. You'll find the clips on the left-hand side of your screen. It will also identify the top clips for you to use. I've only got 2 clips to review, so that makes my life easier. So with your best clip selected, you're going to go over to the right-hand side of your screen and select your captions. Choose one of the trending caption styles, and you can even customize the colour of the text and the highlight colour with your own brand colours. Preview the captions at this point by clicking on the play button. If you need to make any amendments, place your cursor in the edit caption box and then retype the caption. Once that's all done, you can now go ahead and download the video to your own device, or if you want to make some professional little finishing touches, click Open in Editor. All your video clips will be found in the same project, so double-click the video clip you want to add the finishing touches to open it up in the Design Editor. Now I'm going to share a pro tip with you which will really help your video stand out and grab attention on social media. Open the video up in the Adobe Express Video Editor by clicking on Edit Timeline. And this is the video editor. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. If I click on Show Layer Timing, you'll notice that there are 2 purple dots over the top of my video editor. The first purple dot, if I click on it, is the video layer itself. The second purple dot, if I click on it, is the video captions layer. And from here you can add some truly professional finishing touches to the captions. When you add animations and movement to your social media posts, you instantly grab attention, stopping viewers from scrolling past your content. So in just a few clicks, you can add stunning animations to your captions to add movement and to grab attention on social media. There's a whole menu of different animations to choose from in Adobe Express. Add an animation style for when the text appears on your page, stays on the screen, and exits your design. Preview an animation by hovering your cursor over the animation thumbnail. You can even customize the animation by clicking on the thumbnail again, adjust the duration of the animation, change the personality of the animation, select whether to fade it in, and even change the direction in which the animation should appear. Don't forget you can always preview your edits by clicking on the big preview button or click Remove them all. Now improve the quality of your audio with one click of a button. You're going to go over to the left-hand side column, click the Edit tab, and then click Enhance Speech. So you don't need to rush out and buy yourself a really expensive microphone, because what this does is clean up your audio and makes voice recordings sound as if they were recorded in a professional studio. Next, I'm going to show you how easy it is to drag, drop, edit and share videos without leaving Adobe Express. Starting off again on your Adobe Express homepage, you're going to click Start from Content and upload your video. Click Create New and select the right size for the video. This will open up the video in the Video Editor. You can add as many scenes as you like to your video, so you can add another video clip or a static image. Just click Add Scene, select Upload from your own device, or drag and drop a photo or a video clip from the media library. I'm going to upload a static image. So that has been added as a new scene to my video. I think I'm just going to add one more scene. The different scenes will be added like thumbnail images to the video editor. If you're not familiar with the Adobe Express Video Editor, you might want to learn a few quick tricks to give your video a movie makeover. To trim a video, hover your cursor over an image or a video clip to reveal the trim handles on either end. Hold your cursor down over one of the trim handles and drag it across the video editor. This will trim the video at either end. At some point, you might need to split a video clip into two sections. So to do that, you're going to grab a hold of the video playhead with your cursor and drag it to the point where you want to make the split. Next, you can either tap the S key on your keyboard, which is short for split, or you can click on these three little dots here and select split. And now you have two parts to your video clip. This is very handy for removing bloopers that we all make partway through a video without having to start again. Next, I'm going to show you how to use Scene View. So hover over this little icon here to switch views, and you're going to select Scene View. And now you can see all the various thumbnail images that make up your video. You can still add a new scene to your video by clicking on the Add Media button. Scene View is almost like looking down on the various parts of your video from above. It also allows you to save time and make certain edits to the video as a whole rather than individual scenes. So if we look at the bottom, we can mute all clips by clicking on Mute All. We can trim the video, and I've already gone through that with you. You can also edit the duration of a page. So just click on the thumbnail image, click Duration, and then you can type in the amount of seconds that you want each page to stay on screen. Once done, confirm your changes by clicking on the tick icon. Next, ensure that each scene in your video runs smoothly and professionally from one to the next by adding transitions. You'll find an entire menu of transitions on the left-hand side of your screen. Just as we did with animations, hover your cursor over each transition thumbnail to preview what effect it has on your video. Select the thumbnail to add the transition to your video, and then select the thumbnail again to add your custom edits to the transition. Once you're done, save yourself a lot of time and effort by applying the transition to all scenes. You can also reorder your scenes and shuffle them around in Scene View by clicking on the Reorder button, selecting the scene you want to change, and then simply dragging it into a different place. Confirm your changes by clicking on the little tick icon. Once your video is finished, why not save even more time and fast-track sharing your content by exporting your video directly to Vimeo. Go to the left-hand side column and scroll right down until you find Add-ons. Click Add-ons and then type Vimeo into the search bar. Click on the Vimeo icon, click on the Add button, and then follow the instructions on screen to sync Vimeo with your Adobe Express account. Once that's all done, upload your video by selecting a folder, giving your video a title and a description, select which pages you're going to export to Vimeo, and then click the Upload button. Now wait for your video to be seamlessly transported to Vimeo. Creating video content has never been easier with Adobe Express, so I'm going to show you how to record yourself and share your expertise online by creating talking head videos. Open up the template that you want to create the talking head video over. Be sure to add some presenter notes. You can type them in this column on the left-hand side. They'll really help to reduce your errors and cut down on unnecessary waffle. Presenter notes will appear on each page of your template. When you're all set and ready to record, head over to the left-hand side column and click Media. Make sure the Videos tab is selected at the top and then click on Record Yourself. And here I am as the talking head over my presentation. Before you start recording, do make sure you set up your camera and microphone by clicking on this little cog icon. And here you can see you can connect your camera via the drop-down menu and also your microphone. Once you're all set, take a deep breath and then click Start Recording, and you'll find a handy 3-second countdown to count you in. Now record whatever you want to say over that particular page. When you've finished, click Stop Recording. If you want to retake it, click on Reset, or if you're happy with it as it is, click on Save Recording. And here is my talking head video over my page. As you can see, you can drag and drop the talking head video to wherever you want it to be on your page. You can also crop the video into a different shape. So I quite like a circular shape. And you can also resize it. So repeat this step for every single page of your template. Features shown in this video are included in most Creative Cloud memberships. Do check out Adobe Express after the 24th of April, when some exciting new features will be launched at Adobe Express Max in London. And if you'd like to learn more about creating magical videos, check out my growing playlist of Adobe Express tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.